Today I wanted to show you a tutorial of this really nice rosy warm look for Valentine's Day. I really like it a lot because not only it's like feminine, but it's also romantic, not too bold, but still a little bit of glam. I also love that it complements my skin tone so well. So if you're interested on how to complete it, just keep watching. Now let me know in the comment section below if you guys enjoyed this look and what are your plans for Valentine's. I'm actually celebrating Valentine's like right now, like today at the time I'm recording this video. There's so many things I celebrate on February, not only like Valentine's. If you've been here a while, you know that my sister's birthday is on Valentine's Day. I also celebrate a year of adopting Theseus, our pit bull dog. We're really excited because we've seen so much progress with him. I also celebrate like my 3rd year anniversary of buying the house on February and like our 5th year anniversary of being annual pass holders from Disney. So there's a lot to celebrate and John and I are really excited. We're not gonna go big this year though. Like usually we make reservations at Disney and we go out at like a fancy restaurant. This time we're trying to like not spend so much, so we're just gonna go to Disney actually and we're just going to like walk around and sightseeing. We just love walking around even though we don't go like any rides or anything. I wasn't even gonna do my makeup, but not only I wanted to do something to feel pretty and get out of the house, but also I wanted to show you something or give you an idea on what to do for Valentine's Day. Now check the description box below because I'm going to list every product I use to complete this look. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this tutorial, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button. That way you get notified every time I upload. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!